Hello students, I am Ritika Sharma, teacher of Amber International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So today we will read chapter number 4, which name is Nature's Blessing. It's your chapter 4 in English textbook. So students, in this chapter we will read a very beautiful poem which name is Rain in Summer. See, in this poem the poet is describing about rain and its sound, that how it comes on the earth and changes whole the environment. Also describing about the sound that when it comes on the earth, which sound and what kind of sound it produces. Okay, so basically the poet is overjoyed and he is describing about the rain in this poem. So let's read. Look at the poem, how beautifully the poet is describing about the rain. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. In the first stanza, the poet is saying us that after the dust and the heat, इतनी गर्मी के बाद, इतनी dust और heat के बाद, when rain comes on the earth, it looks very beautiful. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, it doesn't matter कि अगर वो broad and fiery street में आए या फिर in the narrow lane, वो किसी भी narrow lane means एक thin pavement होता है, दो buildings हो या फिर कोई भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा उनके बीच में जो चलने का रास्ता होता है, that is narrow lane, that is small street we can say. So he is saying, the poet is describing us that it doesn't matter कि वो किसी भी broad और fiery street में आए या फिर किसी भी narrow lane में आए, the rain looks beautiful everywhere. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Now, in the second stanza, the poet is describing about the sound of the rain, that when it comes on the earth, which sound it produces. See, how it clatters along the roof. The poet is looking at the rain and he is saying that when it comes on the roof, it produces a clattering sound. Clattering means when two objects strikes each other, and when the sound is produced, उससे जो sound produce होता है, that is clattering, that is clatter sound. So the poet is saying how it clatters along the roof. When the rain comes on the roof, it produces like a clattering sound. Okay, like the tramp of hoops. उनको ऐसा लगता है, poet का ऐसा मानना है कि when rain comes on the roof, it produces like a sound of tramp of hoops. जैसे कि मान लो हॉर्स रनिंग कर रहे हो, हॉर्स के रनिंग करने से जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है, वैसा साउंड ही रूफ पर रेन के आने से होता है, बारिश के आने से होता है. बेसिकली द पोएट इज कंपेयरिंग द क्लैटरिंग साउंड विद द ट्रैम्प ऑफ hoops. In the next line, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Spout means like a tube, like a जैसे कि कोई भी ट्यूब होती है, ट्यूब में जब पानी ओवरफ्लो हो जाता है उसमें that is called spout. So the poet is saying कि वो जब when the rain the water is overflow, the rain water is overflow in the spout, it gushes out. How it gushes out, कितनी quickly, कितनी fastly और कितनी speed से ये बाहर आ जाता है and struggles out, as if that it is struggling to come out. मतलब किस में से बाहर आने की, ओवरफ्लोइंग स्पाउट में से बाहर आने की कोशिश कर रहा हो. जैसे कि पानी का बारिश ओवरफ्लो स्पाउट उस ट्यूब में से बाहर आने की कोशिश कर रहा हो विथ इट्स फुल स्पीड. ओके, so in the third stanza, the poet is saying that when the rain comes on the window pane, it pours and swift and wide. When the rain comes on the window pane and it comes on its totally speed, उसकी पूरी की पूरी स्पीड के साथ वो आती है और क्या हो जाती है, वो वाइड हो जाती है, बहुत तेज़ी से आती है और एकदम से फैल जाती है. आपने वो रेन ड्रॉप्स अगर देखी होंगी तो जब वो विंडो पेन पे आती हैं तो वो एकदम से फैल जाती हैं. विद अ मडी टाइड, इज लाइक अ मडी टाइड. like a river down the gutter rolls the rain, the welcome rain. The poet is saying that the poet is describing that when the rain comes and when it overflowed, तो जो भी ड्रेनेज वगैरह होते हैं वो एकदम भर जाते हैं और ऐसा लगता है मानो वो चिल्ला रहे हो, तेज तेज चिल्ला रहे हो, that the rain, the welcome rain. Here's the end of your beautiful poem which is written by H.W. Longfellow.